Watching your back, navigating through caution and safety. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into an intriguing English phrase, watching your back. This expression is rich in meaning and is widely used in various contexts. By understanding it, you'll enhance not only your English vocabulary but also your ability to comprehend the nuances of conversation. So, let's unravel the layers behind watching your back and see how it applies in everyday English. The phrase, watching your back, can initially be understood in its literal sense. Imagine you're walking down a dark alley or through a crowded place. You'd want to be aware of what's happening around you, especially behind you. In this scenario, watching your back means being vigilant about your surroundings to protect yourself from potential harm. Moving beyond the literal, watching your back holds a deeper, figurative meaning. It's about being cautious and prepared for any betrayal or harm that might come your way, often from unexpected sources. This expression emphasizes the importance of caution in interactions, suggesting that one should always be aware of the possibility of others not having their best interests at heart. In everyday conversations, saying, "I'm watching my back," or advising someone to watch your back, can serve as a friendly warning or advice. It's a way of expressing concern for someone's well-being, indicating that they should be cautious. This phrase can be found in professional environments, social situations, and even in competitive scenarios, highlighting its versatility in communication. Interestingly, watching your back also reflects a cultural understanding of trust, safety, and interpersonal relationships. It underscores the reality that while human interactions are mostly positive, there's a need for self-preservation and awareness due to the unpredictability of others' actions. Understanding the phrase, watching your back, enriches your English communication by adding a layer of depth to your expressions of caution and care. It's a reminder of the importance of vigilance, both for personal safety and in navigating relationships. We hope this exploration has been enlightening and adds value to your journey in mastering the English language. Remember, language learning is not just about words, but also about the stories and cultures they convey. Stay curious, and keep watching your back in the most constructive way possible. Thank you for joining us, and see you in the next video.